Hello students, this is an example of primary distribution of overheads. This example shows how to apportion the overhead costs to the different departments. In this particular problem, we have 4 departments A, B and C and one service department, that is service department D. Following are the overhead expenses such as rent 2000, repair 1200, depreciation 900, light 200, supervision 3000, insurance 1000, employer's liability for ESI 300, power 1800. The following data are also available in respect of 4 departments. Area in square feet, Department A 150, Department B 110, Department C 90, Department D 50. Number of workers for Department A 24, Department B 16, Department C 12, Department D 8. Total wages in rupees for Department A 8000, Department B 6000, for Department C 4000 and for Department D 2000. Value of plant in rupees, Department A 24,000, Department B 18,000, Department C 12,000 and for Department D 6,000. Value of stock only for the production departments, Department A 15,000, Department B 9,000, Department C 6,000 and for service department D it is nil. Apportion the costs to the various departments on the most equitable method. Now we'll start the solution. This is the format which has 6 columns. The heading should be apportionment of overheads or primary distribution of overheads. First column, name of expenses. Second column, basis of apportionment, and remaining 4 columns. First 3 columns is for the production departments A, B and C, and for the last column is service department D. Now coming into the expenditure. First we will take the each expenses and we should find appropriate equitable base to allocate the same to the all the 4 departments. So first here we are going to take rent and the area of apportionment here we are taking is basis of apportionment, here we are taking is area. That comes 110, 150 is to 110 is to 90 is to 50. So you can find out the ratio or else you can add all the 4 numbers, that the total will come to 400. Then you can find out the proper percentage of each departments, like 2000 multiplied by 150 divided by 400, you will get 750. This way you can find out the ratio of the rent which the each 4 departments has to be, the cost has to be apportioned. That comes to 750, 550, 450 and 250. Similar way, the next expenditure, repairs. Here we are taking the basis of apportionment is value of plant. The value of plant is 24,000 is to 18,000 is to 12,000 is to 6,000. If you cut all the 3 zeros, that comes to 24 is to 18 is to 12 is to 6. The ratio is, common factor is 2, therefore the ratio is 4 is to 3 is to 2 is to 1. You can find out the apportionment. 12,000 multiply 4 upon 10, it comes to 480. Similar way, find the figures for the remaining department. It will comes to 360, 240, 120 respectively. The next overhead cost what we are taking here is the depreciation. The basis of apportionment for the depreciation is value of plant only. The ratio which we have set earlier, that is 4 is to 3 is to 2 is to 1. Therefore, the depreciation cost is 900 multiply by 4 divided by 10, you will get 360. Similar way 270, 180 and 90 for all departments. Now the next apportionment, next overhead what we are taking here is supervision. The basis of apportionment is number of workers and the total overhead cost is 1200 for supervision and number of workers is 24 is to 16 is to 12 is to 8. Here we can take the ratio common factor as 4. So therefore the ratio will be 6 is to 4 is to 3 is to 2. Therefore you can find out the figures like 3000 multiplied by 6 divided by 15, you will get 1200, and for the remaining departments it is 800, 600 and 400 respectively. Next, overhead expenses. What we are taking here is insurance and the basis of apportionment is value of stock. Value of stock is 15,000, 9,000 and 6,000. Here we'll deduct all the three zeros and that will come to 15 is to 9 is to 6. Common factor is 3. Therefore, the ratio is 5 is to 3 is to 2. We can find out the amount like 1000 into 5 upon 10 will comes to 500 for the production department A and for the production department B 300 and for C it is 200. Now ESI expenses. The total wages, it is ESI expenses is apportioned on the basis of total wages. Total wages is 8,000 is to 6,000 is to 4,000 is to 2,000. If we find the common factor 2 here, that the ratio will be 4 is to 3 is to 2 is to 1. ESI total expenditure is 300. 300 multiply 4 upon 10, the amount will be 120, and similar way you can find out for the remaining departments which comes to 90, 60 and 30. Now the last one is lighting, and the lighting, the basis of apportionment here we are taking is area occupied. The area occupied is 150, 110, 90 and 50. So we can find out by 200 multiply 150 upon 400, you will get the amount 75. Similar way you can find out for all the remaining three departments like 200 multiply 110 upon 400, that comes to 55, then 45, then 25. This way, and the last one is power. Here The power here, finding out the basis of apportionment is value of plant. The value of plant ratio is, value of plant amounts are 24,000, 18,000, 12,000 and the 6,000. So the ratio will comes to 4:3:2:1 and the power is 1800. Therefore 1800 multiply 4/10. For department A you will get 720 and for the remaining departments it will be 540, 360, 180. Now the last we are supposed to do addition of all these amounts. We have apportioned the total overhead cost to all the remaining 4 departments. So that comes, if you add all these figures, you will arrive the answer, that is 4,205, 2,965 for department B and for the department C 2,135 and for service department that is 1,095. This is how we have to do the apportionment or primary distribution of overheads or the overhead expenditure to all the departments, production department as well as for the service department. Thank you.